Hi everyone, this is Anna Veriano from Perfect Resonance Natural Health Counseling, and today I'm here to talk to you about the pomegranate. And the name pomegranate comes from the Latin word pomum, which means apple, and granatus, which means seeds. And indeed, this fruit is filled with lots of delicious seeds. Ancient writings describe the pomegranate as a sign of fertility because of all the seeds that it has in it, as well as lifeblood. And if any of you have ever opened up a pomegranate or had pomegranate juice, you'll know why it's called lifeblood. It has a beautiful scarlet red color. It's also a great source of vitamin C. It's loaded with potassium. It's loaded with fiber. And the juice of the pomegranate is often touted as a great tonic for the urinary bladder and urinary tract in general. In fact, there's studies that show that pure pomegranate juice can help to prevent certain types of cancer, including prostate cancer. So how do you get at the delicious seeds in here? Maybe some of you have seen some videos going around where you whack it with a spoon or you do all of this fancy stuff to get the seeds out. But I'm going to show you how I get the seeds out of a pomegranate. And first it starts with a little bit of prepping here. So you want to get yourself a nice little paring knife. And we're going to just cut the end off, and you don't want to cut too deep. You just want to, you might have to do it in a couple of steps. So I'm going to take this first cut, and you just want to start to see the seeds, but you don't really want to cut into them because then you start to get the messy juice all over the place. So just maybe another little cut, and that's perfect. We just start to see the seeds, and I'm going to do it on the top as well. Just a little cut. Okay, maybe a little bit more on this side. I just want to start to see the seeds. All right, and once we've done that, we're going to score the outside. So you're going to just take your paring knife and go through the skin, not too deep, and just pare it. We're going to do it in quarters, like this. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to show you my little trick for getting these seeds out of here without making a huge mess and having the juice splash all over yourself in your kitchen. So here's my little trick for getting the seeds out of the pomegranate without making a huge mess. This is the bottom of a salad spinner with the basket in here, and I filled it up with water, and I'm going to do everything underwater, so if there are squirts, they won't get at me. So I'm going to put this whole thing underwater, and the first thing you want to do is just along those lines that we pared is you're going to crack it into quarters. Oh, look at it, so beautiful inside. So we're just going to crack them into quarters, and then I just take these out, put them aside. I start with 1/4 at a time, and really all I do is I turn it inside out. Just press it inside out, and I use my thumb. I'm going to show you what it looks like above water, but I'm doing it all underwater. I use my thumb and I just gently push all of those seeds out. You'll see they just all fall apart. Beautiful. So I do all of that underwater, so if some of them break or squirt, I don't get dirty and messy. Okay, so I'm just going to continue doing that, and I'll show you the end result. Okay, so I've just cleaned one pomegranate, and you'll see that there's some white bits floating to the top, and that's nice that they're floating because it makes it really easy to scoop them out. It doesn't matter if you get a little bit of this stuff in with your seeds. You can eat it, no problem. So I'll just give them a little stir here with my hands. If any other things float up to the top, I'll just scoop it out. That looks pretty good. And then I'll just take the top part of the salad spinner out, drain it a little bit, and we're going to pour them into a container. Usually when I clean pomegranates, I really get on a roll, and I do a whole bunch of them so that I've got a nice supply. So here's the beautiful harvest of my hard work, this gorgeous container full of these lovely pomegranate seeds. And I put them into yogurt. Sometimes I sprinkle them onto a salad. But my favorite way to enjoy these seeds is just to eat them straight out of the bowl. They're crunchy, and they're juicy, and they're sweet and tart. I just love them. And if I don't finish the whole bowl in one sitting, just pop a lid on here, put them in the fridge, and they're ready to go. So I hope you'll pick up a pomegranate, enjoy all the health benefits, and enjoy the lovely flavors. Anna Veriano, Perfect Resonance Natural Health Counseling, partnering for a healthier, more vibrant you.